Hey guys, real quick, I don't want to take up too much of your time, but if you would, please try and stay till the end of the video. I have a question that I need answered from you guys down in the comments. Please enjoy the video.
All right, you guys, so we are going to get started here. We got to get the car jacked up and on jack stand so that way we can get up underneath it. But first, I want to open up this box and just check out exactly what's in it, take inventory, get it all laid out and figured out. So let's do that real quick. Oh, I'm so excited. This car has needed an exhaust for so long. And you know, there are bigger exhausts out there that would make more power. The reason that I took so long to actually change from a stock exhaust to something aftermarket was, the reason is kind of the explanation is that I like the stock sound. Like, I like how like not droney and stuff it is. This exhaust itself has such high praise amongst the Honda community. I think it's going to be a perfect fit for me, even though it's not the most high flowing thing out there. Let's check out the beauty. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. That is so beautiful, dude. That is so beautiful. Man. When all you ever hear about the HKS high power is that the fitment is just on point, you can't really argue with anything that they do. I mean, it's just a gorgeous looking exhaust. Oh, we got to get that silencer out of there. But, oh, that is so good. Dude, just absolute goblin noises coming out of me. This is beautiful. We got to look at it. So let's get the car up, old exhaust off, slap this on. What's up?
It's gonna sound so good.
It's gonna sound really good. Dude, we gotta take the silencer out of it. Oh. But first, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise for me?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
Okay, now that we got the car lifted up safely, we're going to pull off all the stock stuff. So I'm going to start soaking all the hangers in WD-40, get all the bolts undone, get them pulled loose one piece at a time, consolidate all that, and then we'll be ready to throw on the new stuff. Two bolts and some hangers away.
Cool. These are your trailing arms.
Yeah, we got to take those off and put new bushings in them, which is going to be a...
Can you just get new trailing arms?
It'd be nice.
Just to get some nice ones like the...
Well, are they going to have spherical bushings in them, though, is the key thing. Like, they probably will just have normal poly bushings, and I want some sphericals.
You want to hand me a 12, see if I can get these off?
Yeah, man. Hey, you want to see something cool?
Lit.
They've been on there as long as you've been alive.
Hand me the Ooga Dooga machine. I got it.
Holy shit, you got it. I can't believe that. There was so much movement, I didn't think you'd have enough leverage on it. Hey, you broke it. Are you hurt?
No, huh?
All right, do it to the other one.
That went in my eye.
What did?
All right, we're good. The dust from it.
Yeah, that tracks. Haha.
You just have to break that one. I broke the other one.
I can break it. I got confidence.
Did you get it?
I guess it just didn't break. Yeah, my sway bar came into contact right here. I wonder how that happened. Maybe we need to stiffen up. Maybe we need to move this up so that way it's stiffer. There we go, it broke.
Give me that. Hey Brandon.
What's up?
Can we start it?
That'd be irresponsible, I think.
Sounds like a tractor!
That smells terrible.
Still sounds better than a VQ.
It does sound better than a VQ. Oh, don't get on me. Of course I'm wearing a good shirt. Why do I do this? Come on, get past that. There you go. Okay. Don't crush my face. Don't crush my face. Don't crush my face. Oh, oh shit.
You have to change gloves for the new one.
Yep, definitely. Woo! We did it. So now I guess like the best course of action, honestly, is I think we need to put the exhaust together in the same manner that this one came off, because I mean in theory it should go on the same way. So we need to connect the long pipe to the resonator, get that offered up to the car, and then we will do the muffler last. And if we make any mistakes, we'll let you guys know. All right, I'm gonna just squeeze this into the hanger.
That's Japanese bubble wrap right there.
That is Japanese bubble wrap.
Smells like Japan.
Oh, Godzilla.
That's gonna be really easy for you to get in.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, it might give me a little bit of trouble, but I mean, if this exhaust is as good as everyone says it is, then it should slide directly into this factory hanger.
HKS muffler.
Okay, I need the next piece.
Okay, the med pipe.
Yep. Oh my God.
What?
It just fits, dude. It just fits.
One of the 2-hole gaskets.
Yep. So if you want to just get your gasket in there. All right, I can't get mine any tighter without tools.
I say we tighten this first, then that. I mean, like there's still like a big old gap in mine.
Yeah, but that's okay. But look, it's not touching, which is great, because like that's a lot of the issues that people have with like the Skunk 2 stuff and the NVIDIA stuff, is that it hits everywhere. I would like to have 3-inch at some point, but for now this will do. I mean, this is better than stock for sure. It's sucked getting the old stuff off, but this one on no problem.
Yeah, they're tight.
Okay, I believe we won't have an exhaust leak.
You want me to grab the last piece?
Done. Yeah.
I can probably get it up in the hanger too. Do we want to do a startup with the silencer still in?
Yeah, we can.
I mean, Brandon, it doesn't look bad.
Well, I'm still going to loosen them up, because like the exhaust is hitting the bottom of the chassis right here.
Yeah.
And I think maybe we're going to have to make an adjustment to the header, because it's been welded on so much that I think it's the issue. Okay. It's also, this exhaust is made for a K20, not a K24.
Gotcha.
So that's a thing, which I probably need to get a K24 header, but there's no point because turbo. I think if it was right there, if we tighten everything up to where it's right there, then
send it.
It's kind of cocked to the side a little bit. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. It's not touching the bumper whatsoever, so that's nice. So we're going to do a sound test with the silencer installed, just to see what it sounds like, see if it sounds kind of stock, or it, you know, maybe a little bit more of a tone to it. But that silencer is definitely coming out today. So let's get this thing on the ground. Hopefully no exhaust leak.
Dude, that's not much louder than stock.
It doesn't sound hardly any different. Okay, well, that's all I needed to hear. I didn't hate it, but it sounds almost stock.
Yeah.
The only difference is that I can hear the exhaust hitting the underside of the RSX. But that's not the exhaust's fault. K24 Exhaust not made for it, but made for the car. It's a header problem. It's not an exhaust or engine problem. So we're gonna fix that with the turbo. Oh yeah, that'll help. Oh, that's better. Oh yeah, that's way better.
You want me to rev it while you're back here?
Sure, yeah. Yeah, let it warm up, and then we'll clean everything up.
Hit some VTEC runs?
Yeah, we're gonna clean up, and then we're gonna go on a test run.
Not like that bad either.
No, it sounds great idling, which is kind of like the biggest, like one of the big things, one of the big selling points for people is like, it doesn't sound bad and it doesn't drone, but it sounds better when you get on it. It's got a nice little lower tone to it, but it's not that much louder, really.
I mean, there's a little bit of drone
Yeah.
right here. But you're also doing 80 and 6.
Yeah, if I'm in 6 and I'm doing 60, we can still have a conversation.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens when I close everything off.
I don't think it's any more drone than what it was.
Yeah, I mean, it's really good. The next thing that I have to do is beat that thing, which will be so easy now that I have a high power exhaust. Thanks for watching. Next video, we're racing the GR.
You stand no chance now.
No.
So what's it going to be, you guys? Is the brand new 2024 GR86 going to take home the win on this one? Or will it fall to the almighty K24 powered Acura RSX? You guys let us know what you think down in the comments below, and let us know what type of challenges you guys would like to see in this showdown. We'll see y'all soon.
I think you're overconfident in your 2024 Toyota.
Bro, 20 years of innovation